Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix unable to verify app issue on your iPhone in iOS 27. So guys, if you're also facing this issue while installing apps on your Apple device, here I will show you how can you fix it. So guys, for that you have to simply watch this video till the end. So guys, first of all, open settings on your device and then go to general, then go to software update and update your software to the latest version. So guys, if there is any update available for you like this, simply update it, and after this go back and go to date and time from here, and then you have to simply set your date and time from here, and after this go back and then scroll it below and go to language and region, and from here tap on region and select your country or region correctly. Again go back and then go to VPN and device management and make sure that there is no connected VPN on your device as well. Do this, and after this go to transfer or reset iPhone, tap on reset and reset network settings for your device for one time as well. So guys, do this and check if the problem is fixed or not, and if the problem is still there, then force restart your device for one time. So guys, for that press and release the volume up button and then down, and keep holding the power button until your device force restarts. So guys, do this and check if the problem is fixed or not, and if the problem is still there, then go to support app, and from here you can get any kind of help regarding this issue from the Apple team. So guys, hopefully they will try to fix this problem for you within 24 hours. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.